So Joe and Curtis are out, I don't know, just putzing around the UTV. But I'm back here at the farm site. You can see the parts of the barn left over there. And last time we found a well, a sandstone well, and we didn't really have anything to see what was in it. So this time I brought the fishing magnet. Now, you see that floater down there? That was there last time, and I thought it was a rock, and that's how deep it was, but it's floating. So I have a feeling it's just a chunk of the old tin that was covering it. So first off, I'm going to see how deep it is. Let's see what I can find. Just going to slowly lower this down. Like I said, I think that's just a chunk of steel. So I'm going to go over this way. Whoa! That's deeper than I thought. Let me pull it up. Alright, I'm going to put the camera down, or either me or the camera is going to go in. I really don't want either of us. Well, I got the rope out, and it's taller than me. I'm 5'9". That's where it was wet. So, I'd say it's probably 6 feet from the water level. And if I had to guess, that's a good 10 feet just on that stone wall. Now, as far as width, that's easily probably a 6 or 8 foot opening. And then, you know, the rocks on the outside. How cool! Alright, I'm going to drop the magnet in there. See what I can find. Now the water is way too muddy to throw a GoPro down, so let's just see what I can find, if anything. Yeah, a bunch of corrugated tin. But I'm going to find a lot of that. Well, here's one mystery solved. I thought that big dark thing was a piece of tin. It's a great big log that somebody cut off. It floated up. It scared me for a second there. Alright, back in. Oh! Oh, look at that! Horseshoe! Well, I guess that's good luck. Nice. Alright, now I want to go back for more. Alright, well, I think that's all I'm going to do. That's good luck. I'm going to keep it that way. And of course the not so old plastic and glass garbage dump. think I'll head back to the barn. Yeah, that's a nice little place to hibernate for winter. Don't worry. I'm not going in there. Alright, well I got the magna fishing out of my blood here. So now I am back over on, it looks to be the main barn. And I'm going to see if I can find, you know, at least some boards that I could salvage. It looks like, well, that's the old hay trolley. Right there, you see the hooks. Maybe I can find the trolley, but if not, these are the rafters right here. These angled cut ones. They look like they're in pretty good shape. Yes, for being rustic. So let's see if I can find anything else salvageable before Joe comes in and really makes a mess. I know what you're thinking. What are you going to do with these old 1x3s? Well, they make perfect picture frames if you can get big enough sections. That's what you can do with them. Well, I got a pile of barn boards, different sizes, thickness, all piled up, ready for pickup. Oh wait, I got another pile too. Yeah, this is just a little overflow pile. That's not that many, is it? Boy, this wood has been laying down for so long that I'm thinking my best bet is to find anything that didn't hit the ground yet. Like maybe that one and maybe some of these rafters back there. Otherwise, I hate to say it, even for me, these are a little too far gone.
Way out trying to get out of here. And Sharon saw something here, some block. Oh, concrete.
Here's the sandstone one.
Yeah, that's a concrete slab right there. Oh,
there was a house right here.
Oh man, actually it goes all the way over to there.
Sandstone pier. I bet this was over here before. I bet the house was right here.
Oh wow. Yeah, this is all concrete right here.
That's concrete.
Holy cow, it goes all the way up here. Oh man.
Oh yeah.
So we got 2 camper pads automatically. Just gotta scrape them clean.
This is a long one.
Yeah, this would be a perfect camper pad right here. Yeah, there's stone and block in here.
I bet this where
And there's another one.
this where the house probably was.
Oh wow,
That's
yeah, that's
sandstone.
the corner piers.
Oh, yeah. Now you can see it.
There,
Well, I wonder if this
and there. Maybe another old home site.
Oh.
Here's stand ladder right here. Yep. Deer stand ladder.
I bet there's another old well around here somewhere.
Probably. I mean, because I asked Sharon, I'm like, why would they have power if there was just a silo? And she said, you know, they need to dry it or whatever, but this could have been a mobile home. I mean, this could have been a mobile home slab. Another bonus find. Oh, I know. That'd be cool.
Yep, another camper pad.
Camper pad. All right, let's get out of here.
Paul Bunyan.
So right in the middle of that concrete pad is a cedar. Well, was a cedar.
Is that called Griswold cutting down the Christmas tree?
You think it'll fit in your UTV?
Well, we can make it fit. We can drag it.
All right, well, hey, Curtis has to go show me something quick.
All right, go ahead.
All right. Is this something I can drag home and put in Joe's shed?
Yeah, it's going to take a little work to get out there.
He's got stuff.
Well, he's got equipment, yeah. Let's see.
Oh, I missed a couple honeysuckle.
Well, I couldn't let I couldn't let the viewers down either.
Curtis.
You know, every property I sell or run across,
Oh,
like I said, I wouldn't want to let the viewers down because
No.
they know how much I like it.
well, you sure didn't, did you?
No,
Well,
I don't want to disappoint.
it's okay.
It's a gold mine.
It's okay. You found a couple wells. That's a start. And a concrete pad.
Yep.
So that was a really good start. Maybe it was for erosion.
That's what it looks like, don't it?
It does. There's a little creek running through it. Curtis, where are you taking me? Deep in the holler.
It's down this far.
All right, so we've had a long day out here. Time to go. Joe cut that tree down. He said it looked like it was right on the edge of the concrete, but we don't want to disrupt that concrete pad. It goes all the way past that tree, that big tree right there. And then I almost tripped over this. This was laying on the ground, buried. Look at that. An old breaker box. We pulled it up just so Joe can see it in case he's working. But hey, we got a pad right there for you. And we even got power. You just gotta hook into there. I'm sure it works.